Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to transfer Solana from Coindcx to Phantom Wallet. So make sure to download both of the applications, the Coindcx and Phantom Wallet. So just go to the App Store or Play Store and download these apps. And once you have downloaded the applications, so just log in with your account and just go to the Phantom Wallet first. So let's just go to the Phantom Wallet and on the home section, let it load. It will take a few seconds. And once you're here, just click on the like you will see this home section, and from here you will be able to see all the coins listed like Solana, Ethereum, Polygon, Bitcoin, and etc. the other coins as well. So what you need to do is just click on Solana, the first coin, and once you click on Solana, this is the the price. This is the chart and the receive, swap, cash buy, more. If you want to buy, you can buy from here as well. So what you need to do is just click on this receive, the first option. Just click on receive and you will be able to see the QR code and the copy your code. So just copy your code, and once it is copied, so as you can see, you can also click on shared address. From here you can save the address and just click on copy. And once you have copied the address, just open the app Coindcx and just go to send the Solana, and you will be asked to enter the recipient address. So just enter the recipient address, select the amount, and that is a simple and easy process of how you can transfer Solana from Coindcx to Phantom Wallet.